Hello crocheters, welcome to my channel. My name is Azzy and today I'm going to show you how to sew in lining and add a zipper for your bag. If you want a tutorial on how to make the bag itself, comment below. First, there are a few supplies you need. You need tracing paper, fabric, a marker, measuring tape, and a sewing machine. You can hand sew it if you'd like, but it's going to take 10 times longer. I forgot to record this part, so you're just gonna get drawings. First things first, you need to lay out your tracing paper, or if you don't have any, you can use printing paper, and tape them together. Then lay your crochet piece on top of the paper and measure the sides of it. And add a 1/2 inch of seam allowance for folding it down. Then cut it out. Now remove the tracing paper from the fabric. If you want, you can go back to using the pins for this part, but I'm going to use clips, cause it's a lot easier when sewing. Now sew along on all sides. Now you're going to take each corner and fold them together and sew. I forgot to do this, but it's highly recommended to iron your fabric after you sew. Once you're done, you should have something like this. Now we're going to put the lining inside. Make sure the outside of your fabric is on the inside. If you don't know what I mean, make sure the part where you sewed is facing inside the bag and all the threads are hiding. Then clip it in place. You need clips for this part cause pins won't be able to go through crochet. Now sew it all the way around and make sure to readjust if needed. Also, I changed my tension on my machine to 4 and pushed the crochet project very gently along. You should have something like this. Now it's time to measure the zipper. I recommend making the crochet panels first and then buying the zipper so you know which size to get. You can either make 2 separate white panels and sew them on top or crochet onto the bag. Once you're done doing one side, you can either continue doing the other side or sew on the zipper, and finish the other side and zipper. Sometimes you have to make pre-existing holes in the zipper in order to sew or crochet through it. Once you're done, do the other side. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or problems, please don't be afraid to comment. I read every single comment and try my best to reply to each one. Thanks for watching again, and we'll see you in the next one.